Before you skip this video, take one look at the loose change sitting in your pocket, your car, or an old jar home. What if one forgotten Susan B. Anthony dollar that looks scratched, dirty, or even dragged through mud for decades could be worth hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars? Today we're counting down 3 incredible Susan B. Anthony dollar coins that collectors and expert dealers are chasing. Some appear completely ordinary. Some have been out of circulation for years, and some have auction prices that shocked even experienced collectors. The coins you're about to see have stories connected to the U.S. Mint, government production decisions, rare mint state survivors, and unexpected discoveries that turned ordinary pocket change into serious cash. If you own old dollar coins, this video could completely change the way you look at them. Stay with me until the very end because the final coin may surprise you the most. Throughout this video, I'm showing you exactly what to look for, why certain examples send collectors into bidding wars, how mint state condition can send prices straight up, and why even ugly, forgotten, beat-up coins can still attract serious money when they have the right characteristics. We'll also look at auction results, government history, circulation stories, and valuable details that many Americans overlook every single day. So don't throw away that dusty change pile just yet. Your next valuable coin might already be hiding there, waiting to be discovered. Let's begin with our first Susan B. Anthony dollar. Have you ever looked at a worn-out dollar coin and thought it was only worth $1? If you're holding a 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollar, don't put it back in your pocket just yet. Some of these coins have surprised collectors with impressive auction prices, especially when they have rare errors, exceptional mint state preservation, or outstanding eye appeal. Today, we're taking a close look at one of America's most recognizable dollar coins to discover why some examples are attracting serious attention, while millions of others remain with only face value. The 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollar was struck at the Denver Mint during the first year this historic dollar series entered circulation. The United States introduced a coin to honor Susan B. Anthony, one of the most influential leaders in the fight for women's voting rights. Although the coin was expected to become a popular replacement for the paper dollar, many Americans confuse it with a quarter because of its similar size and color. As a result, large numbers eventually disappeared from everyday circulation and were stored away in banks, drawers, and old collections. That is exactly why collectors continue searching through dusty change piles, forgotten family coin jars, estate collections, and old bankrolls. Every once in a while, someone discovers a beautiful 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollar that has remained untouched for decades. While most circulated coins are still worth only face value, exceptional examples can be worth much more. The difference often comes down to condition, rarity, and whether the coin has unusual minting characteristics. Now, here's what you should examine first. Look closely at both sides of the coin under bright light. A strong strike, sharp lettering, clean rims, and original mint luster can make a huge difference. Coins with very few contact marks often receive higher grades from professional grading services, and collectors compete aggressively for the finest known examples. When supply is limited in top condition, auction prices can climb dramatically. Many people believe a coin has to look brand new to be valuable, but that's not always true. Even a coin that appears old, dirty, or lightly worn deserves a careful inspection before being spent. Sometimes valuable mint errors are easy to notice on circulated coins because collectors examine them more closely. Never clean the coin, because cleaning usually reduces collector value and can make an otherwise desirable example less attractive. One of the biggest reasons collectors chase certain 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollars is the possibility of mint errors. Off-center strikes, die cracks, clip planches, broad strikes, double features, or other production mistakes can make an ordinary dollar far more interesting. Error coins are unique pieces of minting history, and collectors are often willing to pay significant premiums depending on the rarity and visibility of the error. Condition is another major factor. Professional grading companies carefully inspect every detail before assigning a numerical grade. Coins that survive in exceptional mint state condition are much scarcer than people imagine, because many 1979 D dollars were heavily marked while being stored in large government bags. Finding one with brilliant surfaces and minimal marks can be surprisingly difficult. Auction records prove that high-grade examples can sell for hundreds and in the very finest certified conditions, sometimes much more. These impressive prices usually apply to coins that have been professionally authenticated and graded, not to average circulated pieces. That's why experienced collectors study every detail before deciding whether a coin deserves certification. Imagine opening an old box in your attic or cleaning out a relative's house and finding several Susan B. Anthony dollars sitting in the bottom of a dusty container. It happens more often than many people realize. Coins forgotten for decades occasionally turn out to include outstanding mint state examples simply because they were never used after leaving the bank. Collectors also appreciate this coin because it represents an important chapter in American history. It was the first circulating U.S. coin to feature a real American woman instead of a symbolic figure. That historical significance keeps interest alive even decades after the series ended. If your 1979 D dollar has strong luster, crisp details, attractive surfaces, or an unusual mint error, it may deserve a closer look from a reputable coin dealer or grading service. Spending a few minutes examining the coin could save you from unknowingly spending a collectible piece worth much more than $1. Before you decide its value, compare it carefully with reliable reference images and check for any unusual features. Tiny differences can separate an ordinary coin from one that collectors actively search for. Patience and careful observation are often rewarded in the world of coin collecting. The most exciting discoveries are often made by ordinary people who simply decided to inspect their loose change instead of ignoring it. That forgotten dollar sitting in a drawer, an old wallet, or a family collection might have a story that stretches back to 1979, and perhaps a value that is much higher than expected. So before you spend your next Susan B. Anthony dollar, stop and give it a careful inspection. The 1979 D Susan B. Anthony dollar may look ordinary at first glance, but the right combination of outstanding condition, a genuine mint error, and collector demand has helped certain examples achieve remarkable auction prices. Your coin may not be worth thousands, but if it has the right characteristics, it could be worth far more than its face value. That's exactly why collectors never stop searching, and why you shouldn't overlook the next dollar coin that lands in your hand. Have you ever picked up a worn-looking dollar coin and tossed it into a drawer without thinking twice? If that coin is a 1980 D Susan B. Anthony dollar, you may want to stop before spending it. While millions were produced, a small number stand out because of exceptional mint state preservation, interesting mint errors, and strong collector demand. Those are the coins that can sell for hundreds, and in the very highest certified grades, even thousands, of dollars at major auctions. The 1980 D Susan B. Anthony dollar was struck at the Denver Mint during the second year of the series. By that time, the coin had already become unpopular with many Americans because it was often mistaken for a quarter. As fewer people wanted to use dollar coins in everyday transactions, large quantities remained in government storage and many others disappeared into bank vaults, collections, and forgotten boxes. That unusual history still makes the series fascinating to collectors today. Now imagine cleaning out an old garage, opening a dusty coffee can full of loose change, or sorting through coins passed down by a family member. Hidden among ordinary coins could be a 1980 D Susan B. Anthony dollar that has remained untouched for decades. It may look old, dull, or even dirty, but appearances can be deceiving. Experienced collectors know that value comes from rarity, condition, and special characteristics, not simply from how shiny a coin looks. So what should you look for first? Begin by checking the small D mint mark, confirming it was struck in Denver. Then examine the coin under bright light. Sharp details in Susan B. Anthony's portrait, bold eagle feathers on the reverse, strong original luster, and clean surfaces are all signs that the coin may have survived in better than average condition. Even tiny improvements in quality can make a significant difference in collector value. Here's something many people don't realize. A coin doesn't always have to look perfect to deserve attention. Sometimes a piece that appears worn or forgotten still has features collectors want. The biggest mistake many beginners make is cleaning an old coin to make it shine. Cleaning usually removes original surfaces and can reduce collector value. So if you think your coin might be special, leave it exactly as you found it. One of the biggest reasons collectors chase certain 1980 D Susan B. Anthony dollars is the possibility of genuine mint errors. Coins with off-center strikes, die cracks, clip planches, broad strikes, or double design elements can attract serious interest. Since these mistakes occurred during the minting process, they create unusual coins that stand apart from ordinary examples, making them desirable to error coin specialists. Condition is another major factor. Although many 1980 dollars were never heavily circulated, they were often stored in large government bags where they bumped into one another, leaving scratches and contact marks. That means truly exceptional mint state examples with beautiful surfaces are much harder to find than many people expect. When one is professionally graded at the highest levels, collectors often compete fiercely to own it. Auction history shows exactly why collectors pay close attention. High-grade certified 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollars have sold for impressive amounts, especially when they combine outstanding preservation with strong eye appeal. These prices apply to rare, professionally graded examples, not average circulated coins, but they prove that the right coin can command serious money when demand is high. Another exciting possibility is finding an original coin that has been safely stored since it left the bank more than 4 decades ago. Sometimes entire rolls or small collections remain untouched in closets, safety deposit boxes, or old dresser drawers. When those coins are finally rediscovered, collectors eagerly inspect them for exceptional quality that has survived the passage of time. This dollar also represents an important chapter in American coinage. It continued the nation's effort to encourage the use of small-sized dollar coins while honoring Susan B. Anthony's lasting contribution to American history. Even though the series was not widely accepted in circulation, its historical importance continues to attract collectors year after year. If your 1980 dollar displays brilliant original luster, minimal marks, or an unusual mint error, it may deserve professional evaluation. Reputable grading services authenticate coins and assign grades that help buyers and sellers understand their quality. A certified high-grade example often receives far more attention than an uncertified coin because collectors have greater confidence in its condition. Before spending any older dollar coin, compare it carefully with trusted reference images and inspect every detail. A tiny minting error or outstanding preservation can separate an ordinary dollar from one that becomes the centerpiece of collection. Careful observation is often the difference between overlooking a collectible and recognizing something truly special. The most exciting part of coin collecting is that remarkable discoveries still happen today. People continue finding valuable coins while sorting through inherited collections, old piggy banks, forgotten jars of change, and bank wrap rolls that have been sitting untouched for years. Every coin has a story, and sometimes that story ends with an unexpected collector premium. So the next time a 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar lands in your hand, don't assume it's worth only $1. Take a closer look, examine the details, and appreciate the history it carries. While most examples remain worth face value, the finest certified coins and genuine era varieties can bring hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. That's why knowledgeable collectors never ignore these overlooked dollar coins, and why your next discovery could be hiding in your own loose change. Before you spend another old dollar coin, I want you to stop for just a moment. This is a 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar, and although millions were struck at the Philadelphia Mint, some examples have become highly desirable among collectors. The average coin may still be worth only $1, but certain varieties, rare mint state survivors, and genuine mint errors have sold for hundreds, and in exceptional certified cases, even thousands of dollars. That is exactly why experienced collectors never ignore this coin, even when it looks old, dusty, or forgotten. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar holds a special place in American coin history. It was part of the first year this new small-sized dollar entered circulation, replacing the larger Eisenhower dollar for everyday use. The U.S. government hoped Americans would embrace the new design, but many people confuse it with a quarter because of its similar color and size. As a result, the coin never gained widespread popularity in circulation, and huge quantities eventually ended up in storage or tucked away in old collections. Now imagine finding one while cleaning out a dusty toolbox, an old kitchen drawer, or a forgotten coin jar that hasn't been opened in decades. The coin may look worn, dirty, or even like it was dragged through mud for years. Most people would simply spend it without another thought. But collectors know that appearances can be deceiving. A coin that looks ordinary could deserve a much closer inspection before it ever leaves your hands. The first thing you should check is the mint mark. A 1979 coin carries the P mint mark for Philadelphia, located near Susan B. Anthony's shoulder. Then look carefully at the overall condition. Strong original luster, crisp lettering, sharp details, and minimal contact marks are all signs that the coin may have survived in unusually high quality. Coins with exceptional preservation often receive the strongest attention from collectors. One of the most famous reasons collectors search for the 1979p Susan B. Anthony dollar is the wide rim, also called a near-date variety. On this version, the date sits noticeably closer to the rim than on the more common variety. It may seem like a tiny difference, but collectors recognize it immediately. Because the wide rim variety is much scarcer than the regular version, it can be worth substantially more, especially in higher certified grades. Many people believe only shiny coins have value, but that's not always true. Even if your coin has circulated for years, never clean it. Original surfaces are important to collectors, and cleaning can reduce a coin's appeal. Instead, examine it under bright light and check for unusual details that may indicate a valuable variety or mint error hiding beneath years of ordinary use. Mint errors are another exciting possibility. Collectors actively search for genuine off-center strikes, die cracks, double features, clip planches, and other production mistakes that occur during the minting process. Error coins are often much scarcer than normal examples, and unusual errors can command impressive premiums when authenticated by professional grading services. Condition also plays a massive role in value. Although many 1979p dollars survive because they were saved rather than spent, finding one with nearly flawless surfaces is surprisingly difficult. Coins were often stored in large mint bags where they struck against one another, leaving scratches and marks. Truly outstanding mint state examples become increasingly scarce, which is one reason top certified coins can perform so well at auction. Auction results have demonstrated that exceptional 1979p Susan B. Anthony dollars can attract serious bidding from collectors. High-grade certified examples, especially the desirable wide-rim variety, have achieved impressive prices. These results do not apply to ordinary circulated coins, but they remind collectors that careful examination can sometimes uncover a coin worth far more than its face value. Perhaps the most exciting discoveries come from ordinary families sorting through inherited collections. A small envelope tucked inside an old desk, a forgotten bankroll, or a coin album stored away for 40 years may contain a beautiful untouched example. Those hidden collections continue to enter the market, keeping the search alive for collectors across the country. The historical importance of this coin adds another layer of interest. It honors Susan B. Anthony, a leading figure in the movement for women's rights, making it one of the most significant modern U.S. dollar designs. Even though the series did not become the everyday success the government expected, it remains an important milestone in American coinage. If you believe your 1979p dollar has outstanding quality or the wide rim variety, consider having it examined by a reputable coin dealer or professional grading service. Certification provides confidence in authenticity and condition, making it easy for collectors to evaluate the coin and often increasing buyer interest. Never underestimate what can be hiding in loose change, old piggy banks, forgotten dresser drawers, or family collections. Every year, collectors continue discovering coins they overlooked for decades. Most will be ordinary, but every now and then someone finds an example with the exact combination of rarity, preservation, or variety that collectors have been searching for. So before you spend that old 1979p Susan B. Anthony dollar, take a few extra minutes to inspect it carefully. It might simply be worth $1, but it might also be a desirable wide-rim variety, an impressive mint state survivor, or a genuine mint error that collectors are eager to own. That's why experienced coin hunters never judge the forgotten dollar coins by their appearance alone. Sometimes the most ordinary-looking coin tells the most extraordinary story.